14th chapter in continuation of algebraic identities and algebraic expressions. The reason is
Yes,
very,
sir.
very simple. There is a continuity of algebraic expression with this chapter. Both are interrelated. Once you are familiar with algebraic expression, this factorization chapter will not be that difficult. And this particular concept, factorization, is very, very important because this is a base for class 9th onwards.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We shall introduce this topic, factorization. First, we should recall that we have learned factors of numbers. For example,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
a number which is a product of two or more numbers, then each of these numbers are called as factors of the given number. This concept of factors we had learned in class 6th probably. A number may be made by multiplying two or more numbers together. The numbers that are multiplied together, they are called factors of the final number. If I consider a number 45, this 45 is divisible by different numbers. It's known to us.
Yes, sir.
It is divisible by 1. It is
1, 3,
divisible by
5,
3. It is divisible by
9,
3. It is divisible by 9. It is
15,
also divisible by 5. It
15,
is
sir.
divisible by 15. And it is divisible by
45.
45.
45,
And
yes,
these
sir.
numbers, they are called as factors of 45.
Natural number.
Here I have written 3 into 3 into 5. What is this?
Prime factors.
Sir, they are
Prime
the
Correct.
factors.
factors of 45, sir.
They are the factors of 45. Though the factors of 45 are 1, 15, 45, I have not written them. Instead, I have written this as 3 into 3 into 5. The very reason is this 45, when you do prime factorization, we get these as the prime products. In class 9th, there is a concept called as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The concept is every number can be written as the prime product of prime numbers. The product of prime numbers. Here, 3 into 3 into 5. 3 and 5, they are the prime numbers and their
Sir,
product
how,
is
sir, all
given in
numbers can be
45.
written as prime factors?
Look at this 15, sir. I have not written here. 15 is an odd number, but it is not a prime number. 45 is an
What
odd
about
number, it is not
consecutive
a prime
numbers?
number.
Consecutive numbers.
I am not writing consecutive numbers here. When you do prime factorization of 45, it has to
Yes,
be
sir.
divisible by 3 first, 3 15
Yes.
times, further 3 5 times,
5 times.
and 5
Yes,
one
sir.
time.
Yes.
These
Yes, sir.
numbers only are written here.
Yes,
They
sir.
are the
Yes.
prime product.
Yes, sir.
Though the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45, here the prime factors are only 3 and 5. This should be known to you. This 45 is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 9, 15 and 45. These are all the factors of 45. In algebra also, we have got similar concept. We can find out factors of algebraic expressions. When an algebraic expression can be written as the product of two or more expressions, then each of these expressions is called factors of the given expression. In algebraic expression, The terms are formed as a product of factors. Look at this here. Here the expression is 15x square y square plus 3xy. This is 3xy. This 15x square y square is divisible by 15 because it's a number. It is divisible by x. It is divisible by x. It is divisible by y and y. Did you come across this concept in class 6th?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is it called as?
HCF
Factorizations.
Let me give an hint.
Factors.
It starts with T dash factors.
Terms, sir.
Terms.
No,
Term factors.
tree factors.
Factors
Sir,
3.
factors.
Factors tree.
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes,
Three
factors tree. This
Factor
3xy,
trees.
Sir, Y15 is not.
15 is
Sir, factors of 15s are not written, sir. Factors of
factors
15,
of
1, 3.
15. I
Sir,
have not
factor
written.
of 15 is not needed, sir, because they have already multiplied 15 x square and y square. So we should find only the 15, sir.
Let me go back to class 6th. In class 6th, we had learned something called as a literal factor. And also numerical factor. Here, the number 15 represents the numerical factor. X,
Yes,
X,
sir.
Y, Y, they represent literal factor. The combination of this, when you multiply, you get a term.
Yes, sir.
A term is obtained by
Yes.
the combination of literal factor and the numerical factor. Here 3
Yes, sir.
is a coefficient of xy, it's only the number. So the numerical factor is just 3 and
Constant.
these are the literal factor.
Yes,
In the
sir.
expression 15x square y square plus 3xy, the expression consists of constants, variables. These numbers are the coefficients. Actually, it should
Yes, sir.
be coefficients.
Yes, sir. Coefficients.
Okay, 15x square y square 3xy, these are the terms. These terms are separated by a positive sign. Here 15x, x, y, y, 3x, y, these are the factors of individual terms. The factors
Yes,
of
sir.
the term 15x square y square is 15x, y, y, y. And 3xy is a factor of the another term. In this chapter, you must learn that both these terms, they are divisible by certain numbers as well as certain variables. They
Sir,
are called
x and
as,
y, sir.
correct sir, they are called as,
X and Y and 3.
3x, sir.
what are they called as? It is divisible by 3, it is
Factors.
divisible by x,
Common
it is
factors, sir.
divisible by
Common factor.
this 3xy
Yes, sir.
is a
They
common
have the common
factor.
factors.
Correct, sir.
Sir, they have the common factors of
So we have
3xy.
to learn the common factor for the terms.
Okay, sir.
That is very important in factorization. Factorization is a process of writing an algebraic expression as a product of two or more factors.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, instead of writing 15 directly, last slide, sir, instead of writing 15 directly, we can write 3 into 5, no, sir?
Yes,
In
we
this
can
one.
write. We can write. We can also write
Yes.
1 into 3 into 5.
Yes, sir. We can
You can
write.
write. You told that common factor is 3xy. How
Yes.
this 3 is obtained? It is because
Because in this also 3
15
into
and
5
3.
is there, sir, and
Sir,
3 is
they
there in the
given,
another
sir.
term also,
Constant.
sir.
Yes, sir.
so 3
divisible.
is there here.
Yes, sir. They given,
sir.
sir. So we written.
3 into
Correct.
5.
Yes. So we can write this as 1 into 3 into 5. followed by x into x, followed by y
Yes,
into y. So 3xy will be common. Coming back, you should know
Factorization.
this. 1 is a factor of every algebraic term because any
Yes,
number
sir.
as well as
Yes,
any algebraic
multiply to
expression,
1.
multiplying with a 1, we get the same thing. If I consider 35 x square y
Prime
square,
factors.
this 35 is the prime
Sir,
product
5
of
into 7.
5
7
and 7.
into. Yes, sir.
Here I have
Yes.
omitted this 1. If you write 1 or if you don't write 1, it doesn't matter. This prime product I have considered directly 5 into 7. 1 I have left. X square is x into x. Y square is y into y.
Y into Y.
Yes, sir. Y into Y.
Yes.
Here are the few methods by which we do factorization. In
This
the
is
first
last.
method you can see here, factorization by taking out a common factor. To find the common factor, we should understand factors and also common factors. That is why I said numerical factor and literal factor should be known. The second approach is regrouping them. We will look at few of the examples where we regroup them and then we take something common and find the factors. The third one is the reverse process
Factorization.
of using identity. And the fourth method, separate identity, I have considered because this concept is to be taught carefully. It's a base for class 9th. There's a method called as splitting the middle term.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This method is there in class 9th.
Yes, sir.
In class 8th, we use this identity. So I will deal this separately. We will solve as many questions as we can to
Yes.
understand this. Now taking the first method, common factor method.
Factorization.
First case is when each term of the given expression consists of a common monomial factor, then we will take out the common multiplier and we use distributive property. For example, look at the expression here, 15a square b plus 27ab square. If I
Yes, sir.
find factors of
3 into 5.
these separately, 15a square b is 3
A
into
square B.
5 into a into b, correct? Same way, 27
Into
ab square is 3 into 3 into 3 multiplied to a into b. This gives b square into a. This gives 27. This gives 15, a square and b. In this, if I want common things, let me highlight that 3 is common, one of the a is common,
yes,
one
sir.
of the b is
One of the
common.
B.
So 3 into a into b, this 3ab is common for both the terms. As we had mentioned here, common multiplier is written and we use distributive property. So here common is 3ab. So 3ab is multiplied with the combination of 5a and 9b. Understood? 3ab is a common factor. 5a and 9b are written as a distributive property. So here,
Yes, sir.
what do you observe here? This is one term, term 1. This complete thing inside the bracket, this is
One term.
2. So there are two terms here.
Second term. Yes,
So
sir. 2.
one particular expression is expressed as the product of two terms.
Yes,
if
sir.
if something is there and if this is expressed as product of two different things, we say that these are the factors of this complete thing. Same way, I can state that 5a plus 9b is a factor of 15a square b plus 27ab square. Similarly, 3ab is a factor of 15a square b plus 27ab square. Is this clear to every one of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
very clear. Suppose
sir.
Yes, sir.
suppose if I give 20 xyz plus 80 x square y. Can
Yes,
you
Yes,
sir.
tell
sir.
directly the factors?
20
Yes,
x,
sir.
20
4 into 5 into x.
20 x y
So
multiplied to
20xy.
multiplied to
z plus
Z.
z plus
z
4
plus
x 4x.
correct, sir. So there are two factors here. This is factor 1. This is factor 2. So one expression we have got two different factors. Likewise, we can have a given expression. By taking common, we get factors. Let's look at the second case. Certain things. Okay. When a polynomial is a common multiplier of each of the terms of a given expression, then we will take out the common multiplier and use distributive property. Here, they have given the expression like this: 3 times of 3x minus 4y minus 4 times of 3x minus 4y. This is actually whole square. This is square. Here, what do you observe? This 3x minus 4y is present in both the terms.
Yes, sir.
So that is taken common. This particular thing is taken common. Followed by, if this is taken out, 3 remains minus 4 times of 3x minus 4y, because 3x minus 4y is multiplied twice here. So one of the time we have taken out, another time it has to remain. Further, this minus 4 is to be distributed to the difference over here. It's a distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Minus 4 multiplied to positive 3 is negative 12x. Minus 4 multiplied to minus 4 is positive 16. Further, it can be written. No, it cannot be simplified further. So this particular thing is the first factor, factor 1. This complete thing is factor 2. So the given expression is expressed as the product of the factors.
Yes.
Hope this method is clear.
Yes.
Yes. If I give you 4 times of a minus 2b whole cube plus 7 times of a minus 2b whole square, how this can be simplified?
Sir, a minus 2b whole square is common, sir.
A minus 2b whole square is common. Very good. Into
4
4 times of
a minus b.
a minus 2b
Hi.
plus
7.
7. We can further simplify this by using distributive property. Remaining thing I'll write as it is into 4a minus 8b plus 7. Now tell me how many factors it has. 2.
2 factors.
Yes, sir.
2 factors you are able to see. I am able to see 3 factors.
Factors.
I am able
minus
to see three factors,
2b
no?
is common
Square
two
is
times.
there, sir.
Square is there.
Yes,
So
square.
a minus 2b is multiplied to a minus 2b. That is multiplied to 4a minus 8b plus 7.
Yes, sir.
But sir, multiplication is not taken as one, sir.
Multiplication is not considered as a one term because we have defined terms as
Do this, sir.
they should be separated by either plus sign or minus sign. This is how we define the terms, isn't it? Is
Yes.
term 1
Yes.
and term 2, they are separated by either positive sign or term 1 minus term 2 negative sign. This is how we define terms. Here, multiplication is there, so it is not defined like that. Suppose if I give a question like, if the volume of a room is given by an expression 4 times of a minus 2b whole cube plus 7 times of a minus 2b whole square, find the dimensions. In that case, you will find the factors. This will be one of the dimension length, this is breadth, and this is height. We can consider like that. Hope it is
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you. You will come across
Yes,
this
sir.
type of question. They will give an expression and they'll say that it's a volume. You find dimension. Means length, breadth, and height should be found. Coming to the second method, it is called as regrouping the terms. What is regrouping? Regrouping
Correcting
should,
like terms.
it is same as rearranging.
Arranging them. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Arranging them in
we
group.
can rearrange the terms of the expression into two pairs of terms which share a common factor. This method is called as regrouping. Look at an example here. 3xy plus 2 plus 3y plus 2x.
Consider the
Here we have got x. Here there is 3xy. If I regroup them, I can take x as common. Or else, if I regroup along with 3y, I can take 3y common. Look at this. Here I am regrouping this by taking x to this term, this side. The combination of these two will give x as a common factor multiplied with 3y plus 2. In this there is nothing common. I can write as 1 time of 3y plus 2. Further, 3y plus 2 is common factor. So when 3y plus 2 is taken as common, you will be left with x plus
1.
1. So this expression is obtained with the product of two factors here, 3y plus 2 and x plus y. This is how regrouping is done. Can I group in another way? If I write 3xy plus 3y plus 2 plus 2x, if I write like this, here 3y is common between the first two terms.
Sir,
We'll
what
be getting,
can
wait, x plus 1 we get.
one
In this next two, I can take 2 as common. I'll be getting
1
1
plus
plus
x.
x.
1 plus x.
Look at this. 1 plus x is common thing for both the terms. So I can take x plus 1 as common
Then write this.
and write the remaining 3y plus 2. Observe the answer here. Aren't they same? Are they same?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. They
Yes,
are
they
same.
are same.
Yes,
So
sir.
regrouping is completely dependent on how we are taking that. We can consider 2x before and we get this result. If we consider 3y before, we get this result.
Sir, if we multiply them, then sir, we can get the previous term.
Yes, if you multiply this, you get the same question. You want to check x multiplied to 3y is 3xy,
Yes, sir. Yes,
x
sir.
multiplied to 2 is 2x, plus 1 multiplied to 3y is
Sir, I
3y.
have a doubt, sir.
Yes, what is the doubt, sir?
Sir, instead of taking 3y directly, we can take y as also common, no, sir?
See,
Then again you have to further simplify.
in the common factor,
Yes,
whichever
sir.
is possible, no, that we will take. It
Yes.
is called as a highest common factor in algebra.
Yes.
If highest common factor is 3y,
Yes.
3y. Shobhan understood?
Yes, sir.
If you take y, there is no problem, sir. In the further steps,
Sir,
no,
it is having
you will
only
be
one
taking
term,
3
sir.
again.
Yes,
You will
it will be
be
big
increasing
numbers.
the number of steps.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood.
Okay, sir. Look at this AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Can we make something out of this?
Yes, sir. AC and
Sir,
BC
C
we
is
can
common.
make common,
We
and
can make, sir.
AD and BD we can make common, sir.
That S plus
It is
AC,
already in
A
common place,
plus
sir.
B.
You have to take it is already regrouped, sir. We can just take common and solve.
We can take common
Sir,
as
D is
A.
considered as A and BD.
If A is taken out, C plus D
C
remains
plus BD.
plus in these two,
Sir, common.
B
B is
is
common, sir.
if B is
Sir,
common,
C and D.
C
And
plus
Yes,
C
D
plus
C
D.
and D
remains.
is common, sir.
Sir, B is C plus D, sir. SL.
Okay,
C
sir.
and
C
C
plus
plus
D
D.
is common. What remains is A plus
A
B.
plus B.
So
A
this
plus B.
product of the terms are the factors.
Sir, AC
Yes.
plus AD.
Yes. The same method is done here. You can see. Can you tell how to rearrange this and solve? X
So there
square
is a
minus
X
xy.
square,
So we
Y
can make
square, Y.
X, and we can make others, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
it is
in first term, we
regrouped only,
can
sir.
take X as a common, sir.
In the next,
Yes, sir. X and Y,
Y
Y
square.
have
Y is
common
common,
and
sir.
Y square.
X. Yes, sir.
Y square.
x is common and y square is common. If x is
Yes, sir.
taken common, we get x minus y. If y square is
Yes,
taken
sir.
common, we get x minus y.
X minus Y.
Is this correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it not plus?
Sir, it will become plus, sir. Minus Y square, minus Y will
Yes.
become, sir, Y cube, sir.
Sir, we are taking
Plus
minus
Y
Y
cube.
already, sir.
Since we are taking negative y square as common thing, here negative y square into negative y will give us positive y cube.
Y cube.
So negative y will remain on taking negative y.
On taking this one out. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now there is x minus y common.
Common, sir.
X remains from here minus y square remains. So this is the factors of the
So
given
there should be
equation.
Y minus X, sir.
Which one? Where?
Sir, you explain now, sir. That one he is telling, sir, that second equation.
This is minus only. X
Second line of
minus y.
equation, sir.
This is minus y. X minus y. Understood, Uday?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
Now a
Minus
question.
X.
There is a question here.
Sir, we will try to
15
solve, sir.
xy.
Sir, we will try to solve, sir.
Yes. I'll give a little time. Think what to do. Have you rearranged?
Yes, sir. I have solved.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer is 5x. No, not sir. 5x plus 3 is one factor, and another factor is 3y plus 5.
25 plus 15y, sir, and then 9 plus 15, sir.
Did you get these two factors?
Yes.
Yes, sir, we are.
Sir, I got a 3y plus 5, sir, but I got 15y plus 25, sir.
Yes, sir, I got, sir.
Sir, that one you have to further simplify. It can be divided by 5.
No, it should not be divided by 5 because there are two different terms.
Yes,
There is
sir.
nothing common. See, division
Yes, sir.
you have to do
Sir, I have
when
got
something is
same
common.
answer.
First, you
Sir, out of five,
arrange like this. This
15
way
and
you have
5.
arranged.
Yes, sir.
In
Yes,
these
sir.
two, in these two there is something common. In these two
Yes,
there is
sir.
something common.
Yes,
3,
sir.
sir.
5x is common.
5x, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3y remains. On multiplying, we have to get back the same thing. 5x multiplied to 3y, it is 15xy. 5x multiplied to 5 is 25x. So 3y plus 5 remains. Same way, here in these two terms, there is 3 common, 3y remains plus 5
15
remains.
and 5.
In the next step, 3y plus 5 is common over here. So the remaining will be 5x plus 3.
Yes, sir.
If you are getting the answer in a reverse order, you need not worry. The reason is
Okay.
we all
Commutative
know
property.
that A times of B is same as B times of A. It is commutativity under multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Strong one.
Next type is using identity. We all have learned certain identities like A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square, A plus B into A minus B. We do use these
A plus B
identities
square equals to
only.
A square plus B square plus 2B. Yes,
Here
sir.
we have 4y square plus 20y plus 25. I have written this as in the form of A plus B whole square, which is A square plus 2ab plus B square, where A
Yes,
is
sir.
2y, B is 5, 2ab is 2 times of 2y into 5. What is the reason?
Sir,
Hmm.
4 into 5. 20y we get, sir. So you written as 2.
When I do 2y whole square, it is 4y square.
Yes, sir.
It is the
4y
first
square.
term. It's the first term. If I do 5 whole square, it is 25. It's the last term. If I do 2 times of 2y into 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20y. This is the
20y, sir.
middle term. The same thing is
This is
a square plus the middle term is 2ab, the last term is b square. So this particular thing
5
is
into
there
4
here,
y
which is a
plus
plus b whole square. On using the identity, we will get it as 2y plus 5 whole square. Hope it's clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you try this?
Yes, sir.
What is first term?
2y minus
2
9
y.
whole
Sir,
square
2y.
is
2y whole
Yes, sir.
square
2y. 2y square.
minus.
2y
I'll write
3
I'll
square.
write the last term is 3 square.
3 sir. Plus 3 into 3.
2 into 3 into 2. 2 into 3.
2 into
Do we get the same? Negative 12.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
like a square minus 2ab plus b
Yes,
square,
b
Plus b
square.
square.
which is a minus b whole square.
Yes, sir.
Here
2y minus 3 whole
a
square.
is 2y, b is 3,
12y.
b is 3. Therefore, 4y square minus 12y
Two
plus
AB.
9 is same as 2y minus 3 whole square. Now tell me how many factors are there?
Two factors.
Two
Sir,
factors
only
are
two
there.
factors are there, sir.
The two factors are the same. These are the two factors. These two factors are written like this because it's a multiplication. So we have made use of the identity a minus b whole square.
In that regrouping of terms, you will write factors differently, sir. Here it is written as square, no, sir. We should
Correct.
write 2y minus 3 multiplied to 2y minus 3, no, sir.
If you write in this order, same term multiplied twice, it's same as 2y minus 3 whole square. It is both are same. Only while taking common, you got different terms in that method. In this method, since same terms are there, it can be expressed as a minus b whole square. We will come across such type of question, not to worry. Here, you will not get the same thing. There is a reason for that.
Sir, A minus B.
A
So
minus
7y
b.
plus 4x, 7y minus 4x.
A minus
Both terms
b
are
whole
multiplied.
square. Yes, sir.
This can
A
be written
minus
as
b whole
7y
square.
whole square
Yes, sir.
minus
Minus 4x
4x whole square.
whole
Sir,
square.
4x
4x
whole square.
square. Yes, sir. There, yes, sir. There are
7y minus 4x
7y
whole square.
This is the identity.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. A,
That is nothing but
a,
a plus b into a minus b. Now, if you are using this identity 7y whole square minus 4x whole square, it will be same as 7y plus 4x multiplied to 7y minus 4x. Here you can observe, Abhinav, there are two different factors. One is a plus b, other is a
7.
minus b.
A minus b.
So it depends on which identity we are using. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is a last type.
yes, sir.
We will be
Factorization of
using identity x plus a into, this is x plus b, which is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You will understand better if I give example here. X square plus 9x plus 20. This can be written as x square plus something into x plus
9.
product of two different things.
Sir, 9x, sir. Yeah. But in
5 plus 4 are the
We
same
know,
things, sir.
3
sir,
Right?
squares,
5.
we
Sir,
can write
there
3
is 5
squares.
into 4, sir.
we know
Yeah,
this
9.
identity. In this identity, if you do comparison, a plus b is a plus b is 9 and ab is 20. Correct?
So,
Yes.
yes, sir.
If you do comparison here, x square is there, x is there, the remaining has to be compared. So a plus b is 9, ab is 20.
So we can, for a plus b, we can write 6 plus 3, sir.
5 and 4,
But
sir.
6 plus
Wait,
Sir, 4 and 5.
5 and
Yes, sir.
4,
4
sir.
into 5.
here I have written
4 plus
here
5.
20 as 1 into 20. This 20 is same as 2 into 10. This 20 is same as 4 into 5. In this, I have to select A
4
and
plus
B
5.
values so that this both
It should be
conditions
equal
should be
to 9,
satisfied.
sir.
If both the
Sir,
condition
4
has
plus
to be satisfied. If I consider 1 and 20, 1 plus 20 is 21. 1
21.
into 20, we get 20. Only one of the condition will be satisfied.
Yes.
If I
4
consider
into
this,
2
2
into 10
plus 10
also.
is 12, 2 into 10 is 20, only the product will remain same and the sum will be different. If I
4 into
consider
5.
this 4 plus 5,
4
that
plus
is
5.
9, 4 into 5
4
is
into 5, 20.
20.
Yes.
Okay, yes, sir.
So here I should replace this with 4 plus 5x. This as 4 into 5. If x is multiplied to 4, we get it as 4x
X square
4x
4x plus
plus
5x
5x
5x plus 4 into
plus
5.
20.
4
Uh,
20.
20.
Now you group them into two groups. In the first group, there is x common.
X
Get
common
sir.
x plus 4.
5 common
In the next group, there is
5
5 common. X plus
x
4.
plus
X
4.
plus 4.
Now you have
X
x
plus 4
plus
is
4
common, sir.
as common. If
X
x
plus 4
plus 4
bracket
is taken common, we get x
5
plus 5.
plus
X plus 5.
x.
In the identity, we had x plus a into x plus b. Here we have x plus a into x plus b. What is a? A is 4. What is b? B is 5.
5.
This is a
5, sir.
method. It is same as
Okay.
splitting the middle term. What is the middle term here?
9x.
Sir, 9,
Sir,
sir.
9x plus.
9x is the middle term.
Yes, sir.
How did we
yes, sir.
split
9x
this?
is my
How did we
5x
split?
plus 4x.
5x plus
4 plus
4x.
5, sir. 4
4x
plus
and
5.
5x. We have split the middle term and we have solved
Yes.
it. And this
Yes.
method is called as splitting the middle term. In class 9th, this factorization starts with this splitting the middle term method. Okay, any doubt till now?
No, sir.
I shall end today's class here.
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you show that second formula, sir? That second type of splitting. That slide.
Second
Yeah,
type
yes, sir.
is that, sir?
Factorization, sir. What is a factorization?
Common now?
Yes, sir. This one, sir. This one. Sir.
Sir,
This one.
factorization,
Next
sir.
one. Next one,
This is
sir.
a process of
This
2
one.
years, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. This one.
Wait then. I will just erase this ink.
So
Yes.
show on.
I am showing the answer also. Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So show.